In this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp storage usage. Firstly, what you need to do simply, you need to open up your site selection right here to tap on the three dots on your right upper side, go on the last selection, which is settings. Right after that, you need to go right down on the fourth selection, which is storage and data. Right from here, you need to go on network usage, or simply by getting up to that storage selection. When you get up right here, what you're gonna do simply from here, you can take that reset on, or if you go manage storage, from here you can simply check over all your sites. Now from here you can delete your chat selection, but as you can see, I have no chat right now, and this is why I'm gonna show you how it looks like if you have a chat selection. For example, if you type something, and right now what is the most important thing here, when you go back and when you go settings, then when you go storage and data and you select manage storage, from here, as you can see, the chat, it is just one. It says not displayed because it is take up a small amount of storage. If you have more than 1 or 5 chats, then you're gonna be available to simply select all of them, and then by one click just go on the three dots here and you'll have the chance to delete it.